Hey guys, just have a look at how the public is going on from one place to another after the lockdown has been lifted up. We are still under a certain lockdown in Bangalore, but after June 8th, the first unlocking rules, or you can say the lockdown, was lifted up gradually. So this is how the public is right now. It is actually not as crowded like before, but definitely the crowd, I would say it's a medium crowd. I think so, like after a couple of days, the public will be full traffic on the streets like it was before. Maybe I would say like around 80% of them. So right now I think so it's around say about 50 to 60%. I would say 50% at least, not even 60%. So I just wanted to talk a few things about jobs during the current situation. So since lockdown, there were no people or companies calling in. Except very few of them calling in during the lockdown and asking for the qualification and work experience. Because you probably might have uploaded your resume on or CV on the job portals. But during the lockdown, the companies were not sure as to whether they will be able to hire. They want to wait and watch as to what changes happen politically, and the companies naturally wanted to see what are the new changes that will happen once the lockdown is lifted up, or if it will take much longer for them to come back to their original hiring position. So right now I would say that there are quite a few companies that are looking out for vacancies. Now one of the things that I observed is majority of the businesses that outsource their projects is from US and UK. Very few of them are from Australia and New Zealand, very few of them. But I would say majority share goes to USA. But still I see some of the companies are still hiring for the US processes currently in Bangalore. I hope so that is the same case in other metropolitan cities as well in India, like Gurgaon, Noida, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, and all other places, all other important IT hubs especially. So if you are a person who is looking out for a change, and in that case I would suggest you to right away go ahead and upload your CV, get it trimmed neat. CV is a must and should at this time, and a lot of job openings right now have arisen, especially in certain sectors like the logistics and the retail sector. Not all of the parts in the retail sector, but some of the e-commerce and other stuff, due to the current situation, as you have observed that the e-commerce websites have seen a lot of increase, right? When the lockdown happened, there were no people to deliver the goods on Amazon, as well as the Flipkart, especially the groceries, right? So we have seen a tremendous shift in technology at the moment. So I would suggest you to go ahead and update your CV. Even if you're a fresher, don't get into the negative vibe that you will not land any job or anything like that. The first thing when you're looking out for a job is to be positive about an opportunity that you might land. Maybe not immediately, but sooner or later you will land. So this is the first thing that you need to keep in mind. Your mindset matters a lot. Whether you get the job or not is secondary, but your mindset is the first place where job gets created, right? So just have an open mind. And the second thing is update all the job portals available in India or wherever you are. If you are in Australia, then go ahead and update the job applications in the respective portals. If you are in UK, just go ahead and update the respective portals and contact consultancies if you have any contacts as such. LinkedIn, I would say, is applicable to each and every country overall. So make sure you update all of your trainings and certifications that you might have done during the lockdown period. And also I would like to suggest that if you are not at all working right now, means you are out of job, or you're working from home also, or you're a fresher and you are looking out for opportunities. So in that situation, I would suggest you to go ahead and check out for some free online courses. If you go to Google, there are a few online courses that might be helpful. So just go to google.com and type in free online Google courses, and you will get several links, and you can just go ahead and explore that. Also highly recommend doing such free courses at the moment. With regards to the paid courses, it is totally up to you. Right now the trending topics are like data analysts, business analysts, and project managers and stuff like that. So just go ahead and see which field you are interested in and what kind of trend is going on. So right now you have to be updated with the trending topics in your respective industry which you are looking out for. You have to be adaptable in this situation, and don't expect the hiring person or the HR people or whoever the recruiter is from the consultancy or from the company itself to give you 100% effort at this time, because it is going to be slightly different than other times. Even at other times, even at normal times, you cannot expect 100% support from the HR. So now it will be slightly lesser because of the situation. There will be like slightly less certainty in their words and stuff like that. So don't get demotivated by that. So just have confidence in yourself. Hopefully you'll land a job soon.